Hello everyone. Today you'll know step-by-step process of how to make toilet cleaner at home. At the end of this video, you will be able to make your own toilet cleaner just like this. Just make sure you are following everything I'm saying carefully and do not mix other chemicals with this chemical. Otherwise it won't be viscous and you might get harmed. I'm Bishran Basala, a chemical engineer. I will be making videos just like this, so make sure to subscribe, like and put your notification on to get more videos like this. Now let's not waste our time and get into the process. So you will be needing 4 raw materials for making toilet cleaner. Just like this, Safa toilet cleaner. To buy any of our products or raw materials, just WhatsApp us in the number given below and you will easily get your raw materials at your home. The raw materials required are water, color, acid thickener, HCl, hydrochloric acid and perfume. Make sure you are wearing your mask, eyewear and glove. Now, first of all, take water in a beaker and add some color to it. You can add color to your requirements, then add 30 ml of acid thickener and mix it properly. Make sure to use plastic spatula or glass rod as acid will corrode any metals if used. Finally, add HCl which is 300 ml or less. Now stir it for few minutes and your toilet cleaner is ready. So there you have it. If your own toilet cleaner. If you want to know how bleach based toilet cleaner is made, then subscribe to our channel. Next video will be on that. Till then, watch my video on how to clean your toilet bowl. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Ciao.